Hi, and welcome to today's State City Escalators unboxing video. Alright?
Okay. Are you done? Okay.
Okay.
I'll take it off there.
And before starting unboxing, there has an original elevator on city campus at Bessey Hall.
Yeah, a second.
But we're going to stop the camera for, here's going to be a video credit to John's video.
Okay, first up.
Look at this elevator. That's right. This elevator has shaped and modded. However,
However, what?
it's not been shaped and modded. It's been modded by Elitech.
Yeah. Okay.
Elevator company from, what's the name of the hall on city campus?
Okay, you can open it now. Go ahead. I'm gonna put the scissors away.
Sorry, I just coughed. Alright, so, and in my video, in 2025, on Roy have the video. They got modded by Elitech. As what's the name of the building? Hall?
Yes.
It's called
Tell me.
Bessey.
Bessey Hall. Okay.
At,
You unboxing.
yeah,
At UNL.
University of Nebraska-Lincoln. And this is from eBay from
Dryden, Michigan, right?
Dryden, Michigan. For his friend, Thomas Watson.
Okay. Go ahead.
So a big thank you to YouTube users Star City Elevators. And also Elitech have a great job on this, did the modernization project.
There, I'll hold this up a little bit here. Okay. That's a whole bunch of packing. Okay?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Oh, look at this.
Be careful if it has sharp edges. Okay?
Look at this.
Well, I'll lift it out and hold it up carefully. Okay?
Here it is.
Looks like we got some wiring on the back, huh?
Yeah.
Well, no, that should be interesting. Okay. Can you show me the front? All right.
All right.
And what does it say up front?
In case of fire, elevators are out of service. Use emergency exits.
Okay. And it has a up and down arrow.
Up and down button.
Okay.
Those buttons kind of like one at, what's the name of the building?
Go ahead and say it.
Bessey Hall.
Bessey Hall. Okay.
At
Just like the one he has on the computer there.
At University of
Go ahead and say
University of Nebraska-Lincoln on
what?
downtown city campus.
Okay.
Make sure to link it in the description and below.
Right.
And also video credit to
Video credit to
Star City Elevators.
And you also have a video from Bessey Hall too, from 2025?
Yep, from last year, from February, with Mom.
Okay. All right. Is that it?
Yep.
Okay. Is that it?
Yep.
Okay. What button is it? Is it this one or that one?
This one.
The big one?
Yeah.
Okay.